What do you know about that?
Say something.
What's up, Marinaz? Some straws for the milk. And I'm sorry. And a drink.
Okay.
Hey up. And happy birthday to me.
How old are you?
I'm like 20.
Really old.
So, you know, call me. Okay, I was like, happy birthday to me.
I was backhead there.
She was like, brother rock Niue, like hello.
Like Tara Rock.
Anyway, that was jealous because I'm single to mingle. So call me 04 24 55 23 21.
Hey.
And happy birthday to me, Lyle. Okay, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Huh?
Cut.
Okay, my name's Marina, and I'm single to mingle. Call me. I was gonna have fun. Hey, yeah.
Talk.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, my cousin. I was love you a long time.
Talk.
Okay, and this is my cousin Donna. We went and got our license today in Laloifi.
What's that license for?
Pilot. Niue. And then we go to Australia, and I was got a full license because I was disqualified. I'm telling your dad this. Don't show that to my dad. He was like, bring the fish and the owner and stuff. But I love my nana and my family, and it's good to